Assalamualaikum and greeting to we from Group 11. For this assignment, we require to improve previous group code, which is home and automation and security system. How do we improve their code? First, we analyze each line of their code so we can see which part we can improve. Second, we use TD debugger so we can track the code missing part or error. For the first improvement, we're using call instead of jump because call has no range restriction and we can organize our code so it's more easy to read.
We decided to fix is the alarm system. So when the user chooses the option 2, which is to sound the security alarm, before the adjustments were made, it would stay on. But after the adjustments have been made, now the user can turn on or off the security alarm after sounding it. Next, our targeted improvements is to include gates on the control doors option. Before, it would only include the house doors, which can be controlled. But after improvements have been made, we included house gates as well because the gates are indeed part of the user's house as well.
The previous assignment, the code made the message disappear after choosing an option. This is because the line of nadai and bc function called an option selection, so our group has to deal with the conflict with play function due to message print before the loop start. Thus, to ensure the message print and the function don't interfere with the loop of play function, we're considering to alter the execution sequence or using conditional expression to ensure the loop restart without conflict, and we verify play function execute as intended to confirm the message display appropriately. Okay, for the next improvement, message for option choice not popping up. For the previous code, the program did not bring the user back to the room option to confirm which room to make changes to. Thus, our group made modification for this part of the code has been modified, and user can now refer back to which room and door to make changes instead of referring back upward, which sometimes can lead the code to being a hassle.
The next improvement is invalid input. As we can see from the previous code, the output when the user gives an invalid input, the program just jumped to the next option. So we modified the code to show the input is invalid. When the user gives an invalid input, the program will notify the user that it is invalid and bring user back to the selection option to give the correct input.